Good morning, everyone. No, it's not morning. It's good afternoon. It's, to be more exact, good night, everyone. This is Christine, and this is my first episode of my YouTube requirements. I hope that you can see me clearly and you can hear me clearly. And this is the What I Learned from My Pace episode 1. And I'm going to teach you what I learned from my PACE Math 1108. So 1108 is the algebra section where we learned where all the question where it's the mixture of all the questions from the first algebra 1 pace to the last algebra 1 pace. So this is a mixture. So this has all the questions. And I just brought one question just to kind of give you the idea of how to do algebra. So in algebra, we always have x as the unknown number. So most of the times we are finding the x, the unknown number. So how do we do that? Of course, all numbers will not be unknown. Some numbers will be there and only the x is unknown. I'm going to give you an example. 3 plus x is 10. Now, what we know from here is that we know that we have 3, and when we add something to 3, it becomes 10. So we know that the answer is 10. So from getting the hints there, we know that x is 7. Now, how come x is 7? Because I said 3 plus x is 10. Then it gradually becomes 10 minus 3 is x. Now, what's 10 minus 3? It's 7. So x is going to be 7. Now, the most important part, I think, in algebra is the moving the number. Okay, I forgot how to call this, but you know what I'm talking about, right? Yes. So, transposing. I think it's called transposing. Yes, maybe the numbers. So then we know that x is 7. Now I'm gonna bring you a more complicated question from my pace. A teenage boy can earn a lawn in 40 minutes. His younger brother can mow it in 1 hour. How many minutes will it take them to mow the lawn if they work together? Now, we know that, so first of all, what we need to do in these algebra questions are that set the unknown number as x. What do we not know in this question? That we know that a teenage boy can mow a lawn in 40 minutes and a younger brother can mow it in 1 hour. So we know that teenage boy can mow it in 40 minutes and his brother can do it in 60 minutes. So if I just make that as a equation, and it'll be 1 over 40, because he can mow a lawn in 40 minutes. So it's like 1 over 40 plus 60, or like 1 over 60, because his brother can do one mowing in 60 minutes. So that's the equation. Now the answer would be x over 1, like 1 over x, because we don't know how long it will take, because the question was how many minutes will it take. Now we have to read the questions and we need to set the unknown number as x. So by this we know that it's 1 over x. So if we just do the calculation, then it comes out that if they work together, if the younger brother and the older brother works together, then it'll take 24 minutes. So that's how you do algebra. Thank you. Thank you for watching.